everyone, this is Jess from the Estevan Public Library, and today for A to Z World Foods, we will be making Polish stuffed eggs. As the name suggests, this is a traditional Polish dish that is a popular addition to any Easter brunch table, but it can be enjoyed any time of the year. For this recipe, you will need 6 hard-boiled eggs, some light or mild cheese, some cooked ham, breadcrumbs, dill, butter, sour cream, mustard, and a little bit of salt and pepper. Let's get started. The first step in making this recipe is to hard-boil your eggs. To do this, put your eggs into a saucepan and fill with water. Put them on a hot element and let the water boil. Once you have boiling water, turn off the element and let the pot sit covered for 10 to 12 minutes. Once the time's up, carefully dump out your water and run the eggs under cold water. Once your eggs are cold, they're ready to peel. So next, we'll peel our eggs. I just give them a little tap on either side and open them up. And I find using a spoon makes really quick work of getting the shell off. There you are. Just double check it to make sure there's no eggshell left on it. And then we'll cut it as evenly in half as we can. Then we'll take our bowl and scoop out the yolk carefully into the bowl. There we go. And then you'll place all your yolks into one bowl, and all the whites of your eggs will go into an oven-safe pan. Now to the bowl of yolks, we will add 1 package of chopped cooked ham, 4 tablespoons of shredded mild cheese, 2 teaspoons of chopped or dried dill, 4 tablespoons of sour cream, 2 teaspoons of mustard, and a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. Once everything is added to the bowl, mix the ingredients with the egg yolks. I used a fork while mixing to help combine the ingredients and to break up the yolks into little pieces. Once the mixture is ready, spoon it back into the divots of the egg whites. Be careful not to overfill them or they'll be too top heavy. If you have leftover filling, you can save it for up to 3 to 4 days in the fridge. Once you are finished filling the eggs, grab 1 cup of breadcrumbs and sprinkle them on top. Cover as much of the egg as you can. Next, take 3 tablespoons of melted butter and drizzle it on top of the eggs. Once your eggs are finished, turn on your broiler. When it's ready, place your eggs inside and broil for 3 to 5 minutes, or until the breadcrumbs are golden on top. When your eggs are done cooking, you can serve them warm or at room temperature. And here we have some Polish stuffed eggs. This is an easy recipe that you can add to any brunch of the year. This particular recipe serves 6 and takes about 20 minutes to make. Thank you all so much for joining me on this installment of A to Z World Foods. You can find the written recipe in the video description below. I hope you can all join me for our next installment, but until then, enjoy!